Welcome to 8203 Encinitas Cove Drive, a charming 4 to 5 bedroom home, optimally positioned in a cul-de-sac in the exclusive, family-oriented community of Miramar Lake. Miramar Lake is nestled off the rural, beautiful tree-lined creekside road of Dowdell. A resident of the community shared with us that Dowdell is a historic road that will never be expanded. An aesthetically pleasing warm brown brick exterior and an oak tree welcome you as you approach the home. The home features an easy-flowing, well-thought-out, ultra-practical floor plan that maximizes the square footage. No wasted space here. We often ask our clients what made them choose their home and neighborhood. Here is some of what the homeowners shared.
So when I decided to move from West Houston to Northwest Harris County, I was looking for more space and a slower pace for my family. I had some specific requirements I needed in my new home. A home that made optimal use of the square footage, one that had good natural light, plenty of room to host family gatherings, at least 4 bedrooms, and a nice sized backyard. As I was house hunting, I looked at many homes, but finding the one thing I absolutely needed in a 2-story proved to be quite difficult. I needed the primary bedroom downstairs to accommodate my elderly mother. Approaching this neighborhood, Miramar Lake, it appeared to be a family-friendly community that centered around a lake. I love water, and I got excited about that. Once I stepped into the home, I knew this was it. It met all my needs. Plus, it had a covered back patio with the backyard much larger than I had even hoped for. I had found my new home. Through the years, as a 3-generation family, we have since made many great memories. From hosting large parties to my kids and the grandkids growing up having fun in the outdoor play area, to even more intimate settings shared with my brother, as we enjoyed watching the sunrise on the back patio, drinking coffee, and talking about the day to come.
The centerpiece for this single-family home community is a 4-acre lake that includes a fountain, gazebo, catch and release fishing, small non-motorized boating, and a walking trail. Homes in this neighborhood were built between 2002 and 2009. The subdivision has 2 detention ponds that collect stormwater from Miramar Lake to remediate the possibility of flooding. As a result of these ponds, the neighborhood remained above water during the tax day flood of 2016 and even during the legendary Hurricane Harvey downpour in 2017. With 2 entrances into the neighborhood on Daldale and Spring Stubner, this quaint 256 home community has easy access to the Grand Parkway, local shopping, restaurants, grocery stores, and more. 8203 Encinitas Cove Drive is a move-in ready, beautiful home, jam-packed with many features, including an expansive backyard, gutters all around the home, a 6-zone sprinkler system, epoxy flooring in the garage, and much, much more. Drop by and take it in for yourself.